So good morning students, once again we will continue with the chapter Chandni. In the earlier part we know that all his goats have left him and he decides not to have any goats, but finally he is very lonely, so he wants company, so he buys Chandni and he believes that Chandni will live with him always. But he was wrong. So we will continue here. What happens now? Every morning Chandni watched the hilltops bathed this covered in sunlight, and she used to look at the beautiful hills. How beautiful those hills are, she thought. How refreshing, which freshens you. The breeze is slow moving wind is called breeze. That blows through them. And again here Chandni is also attracted towards those hills where the other goats had gone and had been killed by the wolf. And how lovely to run across those green fields. And she's wondering, it will be so nice, I'll be free. I can run wherever I want to. She ran towards the hills. So she decides to run to the hills, but had to stop with a jerk. Why jerk? The rope around her neck won't let her go any further because she is tied to a rope. As you can see in this picture, she is trying to go towards those mountains, beautiful mountains, but there is a rope which stops her. How she hated that rope, and she hates this rope which keeps her from going to those beautiful mountains. So what she does now? She stopped eating the green grass Abu Khan bought for her, nor did she listen to his stories with interest and affection. Affection is love. So she stopped eating and listening to his stories also. She lost her appetite. Appetite is the need for food. That is called appetite, the want. When you wish to have food. So she lost her appetite. She didn't feel like eating. This is what this line means. Grew very thin. Obviously, when you don't eat, you get very thin. And stared moodily. Moodily is thoughtfully at the hilltops bathed in sunlight. Covered in sunlight. Abu Khan did not understand Chandni's anguish. What is the problem? Why she is behaving like this? Why she has stopped eating? At last she decided to speak to him. So finally Chandni decided to speak. You know, goats cannot speak, but here we are talking about a story. It's an imaginary story. And she decides to speak to. Dear Abu Khan, she said, let me go to the hills, please. If I stay in your compound is the area which is fenced, which is covered with fence, I will die. Now Abu Khan understood Chandni's problem. Now he understood what is Chandni's problem. She wanted her freedom. She also, like other goats, wants to go to the hills. He was very unhappy. The earthen pot is pot made of mud, mitti ka bartan, which contained Chandni's breakfast. It is pronounced as breakfast, not breakfast. It is pronounced as breakfast. Fell from his hands and broke into 1,000 pieces. And the earthen pot which he was carrying, when he heard what Chandni is saying, it fell from his hand and broke. Why do you want to leave me, Chandni? Abu Khan asked. I want to go to the hill, Chandni answered. Don't you like the food here? I'll give you tastier food and a much longer rope. What I'll do is I'll increase the length of the rope so that you can move around in the compound. No, thank you. Let me go to the hills. All Chandni wants is freedom. Do you realize the risk? The risk is danger. You are running. You obstinate. Obstinate is stubborn. S-T-U-B-B-O-R-N. Stubborn is a person who does not listen to anybody. You obstinate creature. Creature is animal here. There is a dangerous wolf in the hills. He'll eat you up. Abu Khan did his best to warn her. He did his best to tell her that if you go to the hills, you will be eaten by the wolf. And what does Chandni say? God has given me a pair of horns. I'll fight the wolf. And she says, don't worry, Abu Khan. I've got horns. I will fight with the horns. Fight the wolf? Surely, indeed. So he is questioning her. Have you forgotten the story of your sister Kalwa? So this is the name of the goat. Who was the size of a big deer? She was a big goat. Have you forgotten the story? She fought the wolf through the night. The whole night she fought with the wolf, but was killed in the morning. Don't you remember the story which I have told you? Abu Khan narrated Kalua's story for the 50th time. And this story, Abu Khan had told Chandni many 50th time means many times he had told this story to Chandni, so that she also does not run away to the hills like the other goats which had run away earlier. To this, Chandni had only one thing to say. I want to go to the hills. She wanted only one thing, and that is freedom, which I have told you in the beginning. There is nothing more important than freedom. Abu Khan got very annoyed. He was angry. He thundered and spoke loudly. You are not going anywhere, he said. From today you will live in a small hut. Now you will not live in the compound, that is the area outside. Now you live in a small hut and not move freely about in the compound. And now I'll put you in a hut and you will go nowhere. Ungrateful is selfish. Selfish as you are, you must still be saved from the wolf. I must save you from the wolf. I will not let you go to the hills or the mountains. He pushed her into a small hut and shut the door. And he put Chandni into that small hut and closed the door. But he forgot. See, what he does is, he forgot to close the small window at the back, and there's a window inside the hut, a small window, and he forgot to close that window. And what happens is, the same night, Chandni made that window her passage to freedom. Passage is way. And that night, Chandni ran away from Abu Khan and his hut and his compound. And for her freedom, she leaves Abu Khan. So this is a similar story like the earlier one. I want something in a cage. There also, it is the stranger who has been living in captivity for 10 years. And he knows the importance of freedom. And what he does is, with $10, he frees 2 doves. Here, although Chandni knows that there is a wolf there and all the goats who had gone earlier to the hills had been killed, still she also runs away to the hills. So thank you. We'll continue with this chapter in our next video. Have a nice day, all of you.